All right, let's break down what it really means to own a share in a company.
You hear stocks and shares all the time, right? Well, there's a tiny difference we should clear up.
So at its core, one share equals one tiny piece of ownership in a business. Simple as that.
Think about it. When a company first starts, the founder owns 100% of it, the whole thing. But to grow, they need cash, so they slice up that ownership into, say, 1,000 little pieces. This is where investors come in. They trade cash for some of those pieces and become part owners.
But how do most of us buy shares? Well, it all depends if the company is private or public.
Private companies deal directly with a few investors. Public ones, they list shares for anyone on a stock exchange.
And that moment a company first sells shares to everyone, that's the big one, the IPO.
So you've got two markets. The primary, that's the IPO. The secondary is where investors trade with each other.
Okay, so when you buy a share on the stock market, who actually gets your money?
This might surprise you. Your money isn't going to the company. It's going to another investor.
And that's why prices are always moving. It's just simple supply and demand in action.
So you've bought your share. What do you actually get? What does being a shareholder even mean?
Well, being a part owner comes with some perks. You can vote, get paid dividends, and, of course, sell.
But, and this is a big one, owning shares doesn't mean you get to run the place.
Yeah, you can't just walk in and start making decisions. That's what the actual management is for.
So here's the bottom line. You're an investor and a part owner, not the boss.
So really, every single share is a bet on that company's future, for better or for worse. If there are some things you are not fully understanding yet, don't worry, we will address them in later topics. For the moment, the important thing to understand is that when you buy a share of a company, you are buying a fraction of the ownership and you have some rights associated with it.